Well, the Ohio National Guard and the Ohio Cyber Reserve are now responding to the cyber attack that shut down Cleveland's Municipal Court.
They're helping investigate the nature of the attack and its scope while also trying to contain that threat. Meanwhile, Cleveland Housing Court has already announced it will be closed tomorrow as well.
A lot of headaches there, as News 5's Catherine Ross explains. The incident is already posing a challenge to the Justice Center.
Locked courtrooms and shuttered windows greeted visitors to Cleveland Municipal Court Monday.
But once we got here, we found out that all the machines was down.
Time is of the essence for Curtis Smith. He and his partner were hoping to pay a citation to restore her driver's license before the couple welcomes a new baby.
She's currently 3 centimeters dilated, 8.5 months. We just came from a doctor's appointment this morning, so a little busy morning for us.
Others tell us they were frustrated after being turned away from paying bonds, making court appearances, or getting paperwork.
Waste your time, waste your money parking, all of that, and you come down here and they tell you no.
Sunday night, the court announced it was shutting down its systems as a precaution while it investigates a cyber incident. Administrators aren't elaborating on the nature of that incident, but cybersecurity experts tell us it's a familiar pattern.
Attacks on really every organization is increasing, so it's not just public entities.
Over the summer, a ransomware attack shut down Cleveland City Hall for more than a week. The city says it's too early to know whether that attack is at all related to the courthouse incident. Alex Hammerstone from Northeast Ohio's cybersecurity company Trusted Sec says a similar ransomware threat is the likeliest scenario.
These municipalities make a very attractive target because they generally have insurance, and they really have to respond to these things, and they have a lot of data.
He says cyber attacks can derail business for days, weeks, or even longer. We asked court administrators if anything is still operational, if anyone's information was jeopardized, and how the court plans to communicate its status. They haven't given us any of those details other than to say that the court takes threats seriously, and they're hoping to rectify the situation as soon as possible. Some court visitors say the clerk's office told them to call ahead before stopping by next. Others left their names and numbers for a call back. They're all hoping for a quick resolution.
We just filled out a couple paperwork, waiting for them to reach back out to us.
And court administrators say their systems will be down until they get a good grasp on the situation. They say until then, most hearings will be rescheduled. In Cleveland, Catherine Ross, News 5.
And you remember, it's been just less than a year since that ransomware attack shut down Cleveland City Hall. And the city said today that while the systems are restored from that cyber attack, they're not sharing details, though, to avoid compromising that investigation and their data. It was nearly 2 weeks before City Hall was able to reopen to the public, and services like building permits and printing of birth and death certificates were restored. Cleveland leaders told us then they were not going to pay the hackers ransom.